Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to fix this WhatsApp issue that says download failed. Now of course it says here the download was unable to complete. Please try again later. Now of course if you're familiar with WhatsApp, that's a WhatsApp error and usually it involves trying to download an image. Now of course I'm going to explain the situations under which this happens and what to do. Now usually the main culprit is usually an internet connectivity or a network problem. So let's say for example internet connectivity, make sure go ahead and check that you actually have internet and make sure that you're able to browse so you can actually try to load a video or something. If you are not connected to your network, it usually means that you might not be connected or you thought you were connected. So go ahead and reestablish your internet connection and try to download the file again or the picture again, and of course it should fix the error and you should be able to download the file. The file will appear in your gallery once you hit download, or of course you can go to your WhatsApp conversation and see the file there. Another thing to try guys in case of this error is to make sure that your WhatsApp is actually working. If WhatsApp is having current issues such as network interference or outages, to be impossible to download the file. Remember that there is you who is the receiver, there's a person sending the file, and there's a server between you. So if WhatsApp is having issues, it will be impossible to download the file. Another thing that could be the cause is that the file is no longer existent or it's no longer on WhatsApp servers. So for example, it might be failing to download because it's not there. Now it might appear that it's there. For example, you're downloading it a long time after it's been posted and it's no longer on the server and you're thinking it's there, but it's not actually there. But the system cannot locate the file, so it will download, it will fail. So that's one thing to do. Another thing to try as well is to reboot your phone and try again. Another thing to do as well is that if it's possible, you may have to ask that the file be resent and then you try to download the file once more. You can also try again later, as it might, as we said, be issues with the server and it requires that you try again later when the network is more stable. Alright, so if you try all of those, it should be able to fix the issue and the file should download once again after a while. But usually I find that if you change networks or switch internet connections, depending on what's happening, it might just be an internet connection issue. And once you try a new connection that's fast enough, it should download the file, providing that everything is okay and the file is in its place. So of course, that's how you deal with that issue in most cases. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.